Today we are going to be learning about the water cycle. Now, thinking about the word water, can you tell me some examples that you see in nature? Good, the ocean or a lake or a river, very good. And thinking about the word here, cycle, do you think cycle means something that keeps going and going or something that stops? Okay, good, it's something that keeps going forever. So today we are going to be learning about something that happens to water over and over and over again. So why do you think that water is so important to us, or the water cycle is so important to us? Why do we need water? Good, we need it to drink, right? Our bodies are made up mostly of water. What else? Good, to grow our food, absolutely. So those are two great reasons why water is so important to us. So, quick fact here, did you know that the water that you drink today could be the same water that dinosaurs drank millions of years ago? And that's all because of the water cycle. So keep that in mind the next time that you drink some water. All right, now let's predict what happens in the water cycle using this picture. So first, water will, good, go up, and then it will, good, change into clouds, and then it will come back down, absolutely. So that really is the water cycle. It is the continuous movement of water from the Earth's surface into the air and then back down. So now let's take a look at those stages. First, looking at evaporation. Taking a look at this picture here, what is happening to the water? It is, good, it's rising. And you can see this water here is like white. Why? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, good, it's turning into a gas, or actually water vapor. And so in order for this water vapor to rise, then the water needs to get warm. So what is actually warming this water? Okay, good, the sun. So evaporation is when water turns into water vapor and then rises into the air. Next, let's take a look at condensation, the second step. So water vapor has risen into the sky, and now, do you think it's getting colder or warmer? Okay, good, it's getting colder. So look at this water vapor here. What is it changing into? Okay, good, water droplets or a liquid. And so when many water droplets come together, what does it make? Good, it makes a cloud. So condensation is when water vapor cools and turns back into the liquid. And many water droplets together form clouds. And lastly, we'll take a look at precipitation. So you can see that these clouds are becoming so heavy with the water droplets. So then the water must, good, go down. And it will go down in the form of rain or snow or hail. Very good. So precipitation is when clouds become too heavy and the water falls to the Earth's surface as rain or snow. So we're going to do a quick checkup of what you learned. So now I'd like you to fill in A, B, and C with condensation, evaporation, and precipitation. I'm just going to give you 10 seconds. You can just chat it to me. All right, so now what do you think A is? Good, evaporation. And so evaporation, first, the sun will heat the water. So what happens to the water? Good, it will rise. And will it rise in the form of a solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, gas, good, water vapor. And so now that brings us to B. What is B? Good, it is condensation. So the water rises into the air, and does it get cooler or warmer? Good, it gets cooler. And then it changes into, good, water droplets. And many water droplets together make a cloud, absolutely. And then C, what do you think C is? Precipitation, good job. So precipitation, these clouds get so heavy. So now the water must come down. Very good. And it comes down as a form of rain or snow. Excellent. So after this, we're going to take a closer look at the different stages in the water cycle. And throughout the week, we're going to also be doing some experiments with them. But for now, let's wrap this up with a quick video about the water cycle.
Well, that was an interesting field trip. Can we go back now, Mr. Visible?
Oh, I'd love to help you out, Earl, but